treatment area with towel. Select anti-freezing membrane of your choice according to the size of the fat and apply evenly. Adjust the temperature, time, and suction intensity. Fix the probe between the membrane and the strap. Adjust suction intensity based on the customer's comfort level. Wait for 10 to 30 minutes. Remove the probe and the membrane. Clean the treated area. It's advised to treat once a month. Slight fatigue, redness, and swelling might appear after each session, which is within the normal range and will disappear in a week or so.